welcome to my channel. I'm Michaela, and for this video, I'll be giving you guys app ideas or apps that you need to install if you want to learn Korean fast for just 3 months, especially for the beginners. But before I start, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell below so you're always updated whenever I upload another video. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Hear the night storm young. Feel my soul at the fear. Throw the daft into arch denkt. Nu terene. Oi, 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 oi. Hear the night storm young. Feel my soul at the fear. Throw the daft into arch denkt. Nu terene. Oi, 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 oi. Hear the night storm young. Feel my soul at the fear. Throw the daft into arch denkt. Nu terene. Oi, 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 oi.
미안합니다. 고맙습니다. 네. 간장 공장장은 강 공장장이고 된장 공장장은 공 공장장이다.
Hear the night storm young. Feel my soul at the fear. Throw the daft into arch denkt. Nu terene. Oi, oi,
입니다. 저는 한국 사람입니다. 저는 미국 사람입니다.
Hear the night storm young. Feel my soul at the fear. Throw the daft into architect. Newton.
So that's it guys. I hope you guys learned something from my video. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell so will you always be updated whenever I upload another video. I hope I help you guys and thank you very much for choosing this video. Heart to heart.